Hello, good day to you. This morning was incredibly lazy. It was a lazy start today for sure. The lazy morning turned into a lazy lunchtime, which turned into a bit of a lazy early afternoon. However, eventually we did manage to make it out of the house and we've come here to the bowling alley. It's the local bowling alley, a little bit in disrepair if I recall. I can't imagine they've changed anything since we were here last time. However, it's literally about 2 minutes from my doorstep, so it's a good place to come and move a little bit, blow off some steam and compete against these suckers. No mercy, no mercy. Okay, catch you in a bit. Okay, so bowling, the G Daddy won. However, when it came to air hockey, oh no, the G Daddy won that as well. However, Olivia did win round 2 of the air hockey. Super competitive, I have to be honest with you. What's nice about it now they're of a certain age is there is no mercy. You'd have to take it easy on them. They don't take it easy on me. It's all high paced, high intensity. Try and kill each other on the air hockey machine action. Honestly, it doesn't get more exciting than this. Anyway, I need to make a point. I always make a point in these videos, and my point today is this. I love this place. It's so close to home and everything else. However, there is so little TLC in this place. I mean, I guess it's finances. I guess I can't afford it. I know bowling's maybe not having a heyday. I don't know, whatever it might be. However, you go in there, it's so tired and it's a little bit sad and hardly anything works 100% properly, and the balls are battered and you can wear your own trainers on the thing and everything else. So I'm not knocking the place. I guess it just hasn't got the money to put in the infrastructure and everything else. Bit sad though, isn't it? But here's my message, because I like to put something poignant in every single video I do. In your business, I talked about it over and over again about customer experience, make it fun for people and everything else. Seriously, you can't afford to not put the energy into the aspects of your business that people interact with to give them just a really good experience and everything else. I'm not saying it should be no expense spared. I'm not saying you should put every penny you've got back into the business necessarily just to have nicer seats, nicer chairs or anything. But honestly, if your ceiling's falling down, if your toilets aren't working, if the machines aren't working, if you can't buy a Coke, I'm not talking about anywhere specifically. But you know, honestly, in your business, put the TLC into your business, because even if you haven't got the funds like this place, I'm assuming it's funds. I mean, what it comes across is, it just comes across like it's not particularly loved. It comes across like, can I say it? Like they don't really care. And I'm sure that's not the case, and I'm trying to cut as much slack as possible. And I'm saying I'm sure it's just funds and everything else. However, that's the experience you kind of get from it and everything else. Anyway, if that's your business, I'm telling you now, you can't afford not to invest back into your business to a point where you give your customers an experience where it feels like you care. At the very least, like you care, and at best, like you're trying to do the best you can to give them the best possible experience. Anyway, we're going to shoot home. That's it. That's our day. It's good, isn't it? It's a good being an entrepreneur. You get to pick and choose what you do. However, I was working twice as hard last week week before these ladies turned up. Okay, awesome. Have a great day. I hope you've been successful. I hope you've been productive doing whatever it is you have been doing today. I will check in with you tomorrow, as always. Tomorrow is all about preparation for the family barbecue, because we have about 15 people descending upon the house. The house must be perfect, the garden must be perfect, everything must be perfect, the food must be perfect. So guess what? We are all going to be having to work all day tomorrow to make the house presentable, luxurious, I don't know, whatever it is. Whatever Tracy's standards are, we have to do that tomorrow. Anyway, I'll share it with you as always. Have a good one. Hope you had a good day. Have a good evening. Wow, what a nice sunset. Catch you tomorrow.